Hey everyone, welcome. We're so glad to have you with us today. Today we're embarking on a fascinating journey to explore Ashok Nagar, a name that resonates across numerous cities in India. It's incredible how one name can be found in so many different places, each with its own unique flavor and story. Think of it like a familiar song that brings back memories. Just hearing the name Ashok Nagar can evoke a sense of nostalgia and comfort. Much like a melody that you've known all your life, it makes you think of home, of neighbors, of belonging. Each Ashok Nagar is a microcosm of community life where people come together, share stories and build relationships. It's a place where the essence of Indian culture and hospitality shines through. And we'll visit some of the most famous Ashok Nagars, each with its own special charm and character. From the bustling streets to the serene corners, every Ashok Nagar has something unique to offer. From the busy, vibrant streets of Chennai to the peaceful, laid-back atmosphere of Bhopal, each Ashok Nagar tells a story about everyday life, culture and history. These neighborhoods are living, breathing entities that reflect the diversity and richness of India. Come along with us as we explore these places and discover what makes each Ashok Nagar special, yet connected by something you can't see. It's a journey through the heart of India, where every street, every corner and every face has a story to tell. As we walk through the streets of Ashok Nagar, we'll meet the people who call these places home. We'll hear their stories, their dreams, and their challenges. We'll see how they celebrate festivals, how they come together in times of joy and sorrow, and how they keep the spirit of community alive. Festivals are a big part of life in Ashok Nagar. Whether it's Diwali, Holi, or a local celebration, these events bring people together in a vibrant display of color, music, and dance. It's a time when the community comes alive and the streets are filled with laughter and joy. The local markets of Ashok Nagar are another highlight. Here you can find everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts. The street food is a culinary adventure in itself, offering a taste of the local flavors and traditions. Each Ashok Nagar also has its own historical landmarks and cultural heritage sites. These places tell the story of the past, of the people who lived here before, and of the events that shaped the community. They're a reminder of the rich history and cultural tapestry that is India. What truly makes Ashok Nagar special, however, are the people. It's the smiles, the greetings, the shared moments that create a sense of belonging. It's the way people look out for each other, the way they come together to celebrate and to support one another. As the day comes to an end and the evening lights start to come on, there's a sense of peace and contentment in Ashok Nagar. It's a place where the past and the present coexist, where every day brings new stories and new memories. So join us on this journey through Ashok Nagar. Let's discover the stories, the people, and the places that make this name so special. Let's celebrate the diversity, the culture, and the spirit of community that defines Ashok Nagar. Here in Chennai, Ashok Nagar is a great example of good city planning. This neighborhood is a testament to how urban spaces can be designed to balance modernity and tradition, creating a harmonious living environment. The streets are meticulously laid out, ensuring smooth traffic flow and easy navigation. The planners have thoughtfully included wide roads, ample green spaces, and essential amenities, making it a self-sufficient locality. Wide streets with trees take us through neighborhoods with modern Indian buildings. These streets are not just pathways, but lifelines that connect various parts of the community. The tree-lined avenues provide shade and a touch of nature amidst the urban setting, making daily commutes pleasant. The modern apartment buildings stand tall, offering a glimpse into contemporary Indian architecture. These buildings are equipped with all the modern amenities, ensuring a comfortable lifestyle for the residents. But it's not just buildings. There are schools full of kids, busy shopping centers, and the Ashok Nagar metro station, like a heartbeat, connecting everyone to the city. The schools here are known for their quality education, nurturing the future of the nation. The shopping centers are bustling with activity, offering everything from daily essentials to luxury items. The Ashok Nagar metro station is a crucial part of the city's public transport system, making commuting convenient and efficient. It's a place where the old and the new coexist, creating a unique urban tapestry. Life here mixes modern and traditional. The architecture is a blend of sleek, modern designs and traditional Indian elements, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the area. This fusion is evident in the buildings, public spaces, and even in the daily lives of the residents. The community thrives on this blend, creating a vibrant and dynamic environment. Old temples with beautiful carvings offer quiet places in the busy city. These temples are not just places of worship, but also cultural landmarks that have stood the test of time. The intricate carvings and serene ambience provide a stark contrast to the bustling city life, offering a peaceful retreat for the residents. These temples are a testament to the area's rich history and cultural significance. Parks are like green islands with benches full of people talking and laughing. These parks are the lungs of the neighborhood, providing much-needed green spaces for relaxation and recreation. Families come here to spend quality time together, children play freely, and friends gather to chat and unwind. The parks are well maintained with lush greenery, walking paths, and play areas, making them a favorite spot for all age groups. And then there's Ranganathan Street, a mini Chennai. This bustling market street is a microcosm of the city's vibrant culture and energy. It's a place where you can experience the true essence of Chennai, with its lively atmosphere, diverse crowd, and a plethora of shops and stalls. You'll hear shopkeepers calling, smell delicious street food, and see bright silk saris. The market is a sensory delight, with the sounds of vendors calling out their wares, the aroma of freshly cooked street food, and the vibrant colors of silk saris and other traditional garments. It's a place where you can find everything from fresh produce to handmade crafts, making it a shopper's paradise. It's a party for your senses. The market is a celebration of life with its lively ambience, diverse offerings, and the constant buzz of activity. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the local culture, interact with the friendly vendors, and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Ashok Nagar, with its perfect blend of modernity and tradition, truly offers a symphony of urban life. Ashok Nagar, Bhopal, feels calm and settled. Life is slower here, very different from busy Chennai. The houses are big with green gardens, perfect for peaceful living. Shops are there, but they don't take over. Good schools and colleges bring in students from everywhere. But the best part of Bhopal's Ashok Nagar is nature. The beautiful lakes are close by, a quiet escape from the city. Parks are everywhere, with people walking in the morning and laughing in the evening. And Bhopal has great buses and auto rickshaws, so you can easily get around. Ashok Nagar, Delhi, wow, it's full of the energy of India's capital. As you walk through the streets, you can feel the pulse of the city. The air is filled with a mix of sounds, from the chatter of people to the distant hum of traffic. It's a place where tradition meets modernity, and every corner has a story to tell. You'll hear car horns, street vendors calling out their wares, and lots of people talking. The street vendors are an integral part of the city's fabric, offering everything from fresh fruits to handmade crafts. Their vibrant stalls add a splash of color to the streets, making every walk an adventure. The crowded markets are a testament to the city's thriving commerce and the daily hustle of its residents. This place never sleeps. The buildings, old and new, show how the city is changing. The juxtaposition of ancient architecture with modern skyscrapers tells a story of growth and evolution. Each building, whether it's a centuries-old monument or a newly constructed office tower, adds to the city's unique skyline. It's a visual representation of Delhi's rich history and its forward-looking future. There are busy markets and modern malls, everything you could want. From traditional bazaars where you can haggle for the best prices to sleek air-conditioned malls offering the latest in fashion and technology, Delhi caters to every shopper's needs. The markets are a sensory overload, with the smell of street food wafting through the air and the sound of vendors negotiating with customers. In contrast, the malls provide a more relaxed shopping experience with a variety of international brands and entertainment options. The Delhi Metro, a super cool train system, connects everyone to every part of the city. It's a lifeline for millions of commuters, offering a fast, efficient and affordable way to navigate the sprawling metropolis. The metro stations are bustling hubs of activity, with people from all walks of life coming together. The trains themselves are a marvel of modern engineering, gliding smoothly through the city and providing a glimpse into the daily lives of Delhi's residents. The roads are busy with auto rickshaws, cars and cycle rickshaws, always moving. The traffic is a chaotic symphony, with vehicles weaving in and out, honking horns and drivers skillfully navigating the crowded streets. Auto rickshaws, with their distinctive yellow and green paint, are a popular mode of transport, offering a quick and affordable way to get around. Cycle rickshaws, though slower, provide a more leisurely and eco-friendly option, allowing passengers to take in the sights and sounds of the city at a relaxed pace. But even in all this, there are friendly neighborhoods. Amidst the hustle and bustle, you'll find pockets of tranquility where residents greet each other with warm smiles and children play in the streets. These neighborhoods are the heart and soul of Delhi, fostering a sense of community and belonging. The local parks and community centers are gathering spots for social events, festivals and daily interactions, creating a close-knit environment where everyone knows their neighbors. Local markets sell fresh food and colorful cloth. These markets are a feast for the senses, with stalls brimming with fresh fruits, vegetables, spices and vibrant textiles. The vendors, often generations of the same family, take pride in their goods and are always ready to share a story or two. Shopping here is not just a transaction, it's an experience that connects you to the local culture and traditions. The colorful cloth markets in particular are a visual delight, showcasing the rich tapestry of Indian fabrics and designs. Schools with kids playing show the hope and energy of the city. The laughter and chatter of children in the schoolyards are a reminder of the city's vibrant future. Education is highly valued in Delhi, and the schools are bustling with activity, from academic pursuits to extracurricular activities. The sight of children playing, learning and growing together is a testament to the city's commitment to nurturing the next generation. It's a place where dreams are born and possibilities are endless. Our last stop is Ashok Nagar, Indore, a place that's all about progress. It's in the middle of the city, full of great schools and colleges. The houses and apartments show the dreams of a growing middle class. Parks give people a place to breathe and relax. But the real spirit of Indore's Ashok Nagar is business. Big and small companies do well here because Indore is known for business and trade. And to help everything run smoothly, there are hospitals, banks and government offices close by. Thanks for coming with us to explore the different Ashok Nagars. We saw how different they are, from busy Chennai to peaceful Bhopal, energetic Delhi and growing Indore. Each Ashok Nagar is a good place to live, with shops and easy ways to get around. But more than that, they are communities, places where people feel like they belong. Until next time, keep exploring. There are so many stories waiting to be discovered in India's cities.